Toyota Century 2026, the pinnacle of Japanese luxury automotive engineering, has arrived to redefine what it means to travel in absolute comfort and sophistication. Nitro Garage brings you an exclusive deep dive into this magnificent machine that continues to carry the legacy of Toyota's most prestigious nameplate. The Toyota Century 2026 stands as a testament to Japan's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship, elegance, and technological excellence, making it one of the most coveted luxury sedans on the planet today. The Toyota Century 2026 commands attention the moment it enters your field of vision. Its imposing yet graceful silhouette features the iconic tall vertical chrome grille adorned with the legendary Golden Phoenix emblem that has become synonymous with the Century nameplate. The deep cherry red metallic paint finish flows effortlessly across the long wheelbase body, reflecting light in the most breathtaking way possible. Every body panel has been meticulously sculpted to achieve a perfect balance between classic Japanese formality and modern contemporary luxury design language that speaks volumes about Toyota's design philosophy. Powering the Toyota Century 2026 is a sophisticated hybrid powertrain that combines a refined V8 engine with an advanced electric motor system, delivering seamless and whisper-quiet performance that befits a car of this stature. The powertrain produces substantial power while maintaining the smooth and serene driving experience that Century owners have come to expect and demand. The suspension system has been tuned to absorb every road imperfection with surgical precision, ensuring that passengers in the rear cabin experience nothing short of absolute tranquility during every journey regardless of road conditions. Nitro Garage is particularly impressed by the Toyota Century 2026 interior, which is truly where this car transcends beyond being merely a vehicle and becomes a rolling palace of pure luxury. The rear passenger compartment is the crown jewel of the entire experience, featuring individual throne-like seats upholstered in the finest hand-stitched quilted leather. Genuine wood trim sourced from premium materials adorns every surface of the cabin, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels both regal and deeply comfortable. The attention to detail inside the Toyota Century 2026 is absolutely extraordinary, with every single element carefully considered and executed to perfection by skilled Japanese craftsmen. The technology integrated into the Toyota Century 2026 is equally impressive, featuring a state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system that keeps both driver and passengers connected and entertained throughout their journey. The rear seat entertainment system provides individual screens for passengers, while the climate control system can be independently adjusted for each zone, ensuring everyone enjoys their perfect temperature at all times. Advanced noise cancellation technology works continuously to eliminate any outside disturbances, creating a cabin environment that rivals the quietest luxury spaces imaginable. Safety technology in the Toyota Century 2026 is comprehensive and cutting-edge, featuring Toyota's most advanced suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that provides complete visibility in all situations. These systems work seamlessly in the background without ever intruding on the refined driving experience that this magnificent automobile delivers so effortlessly every single day. The Toyota Century 2026 rides on beautifully designed multi-spoke dark alloy wheels that perfectly complement the overall luxury aesthetic of the vehicle, while housing an advanced air suspension system that can be adjusted to suit different driving conditions and preferences. The braking system is equally impressive, providing confident and reassuring stopping power whenever required, while maintaining the composed and unruffled character that defines the entire Century experience from every angle. Nitro Garage believes the Toyota Century 2026 represents the absolute highest expression of Japanese luxury automotive culture and tradition. This is not simply a car, but rather a profound statement about excellence, heritage, and the relentless pursuit of perfection that defines everything Toyota does at the very highest level of their craft. The Toyota Century 2026 is truly in a class entirely of its own.